Hi, guys and dolls and dolls and guys. Well, you remember yesterday when I was doing the cooking preview premiere, I I stated that I will come back today and show you about the beef. I was gonna slice it while it was still raw, and I was gonna do the shrimp with the garlic roasted pasta, and all that stuff. Well, I'm here to let you know that that's not gonna happen. I had a doctor's appointment today, and he took me all the way down. My immune system ain't doing too good, and I felt real good yesterday. Remember, I was like getting my dance on and right. So, but I got so tired real quick. I was like huffing and puffing in between and stuff. I didn't think nothing of it, because I'm just being too busy, talking fast, moving fast, and sometimes I gotta, right? So I didn't think nothing of it. So I go in today. I'm all happy, not feeling the best, but not the worst. I'm all right. And he getting there, we talking and we talking, and he telling me the test I took, my immune system is this, that, and the other. And I had to bend over and get a shot today, okay? And we know I ain't with that at all. I had no choice. I had no choice. I'm not about them needles and me. So anyway, I had to do that, and he recommended that I get bed rest for 2 days. I'm like, well, I've been doing, since this thing happened was like, I thought I was resting, but evidently, me, I get to get busy. I don't pay attention, so I'm just moving. I'm just going and, not paying attention. But I do know when I woke up this morning, wasn't that bad again or wasn't that great. So I didn't think nothing of them to go there, everything gonna be okay, and boom. I had to bend over. When I tell you I despise that, I had to do it though. So it's gonna help my immune system quicker. But I was trying to think, now what all were you doing? I've been pretty busy, just doing things and stuff. And then at night, I'm realizing I can't sleep at night. For some reason, my sleep has been really, really, really bad. Like sometimes I may see 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'll start looking at the TV, till I doze off. I've been taking my melatonin. I take the gummies. I got 2 left. But anyways, and I take my vitamins, I ain't that good with the medication. Never have been. Gotta do better. I get that. But today I was like, what? Really? Okay. So I come home, I tell Art and stuff, he's like, just take it down. Just don't do nothing. You ain't gotta do nothing. You don't have to do nothing. This is his favorite thing. Stop. Stop. What you doing? Stop. Favorite thing, right? I don't pay it no mind. So he did some laundry, right? I'm back from the doctor's now. I'm telling what's going on and stuff. The laundry he had brought up, right? And I said, all right, pass me that bag. He said, what bag? I said, the laundry bag. I'm going to fold the stuff up. I folded up already. I said, not all of it, because I can see it on the bottom, right? He said, don't do that. Come on, you don't need to do that. I said, okay. Look, I don't even think he made it all the way to the bottom of the stairs. I grabbed that bag. Look, you can see some of the laundry over there. I grabbed that bag. I was folding up the laundry. So then I go downstairs, and I want something to snack on. There was a few dishes in the sink. I washed those out, and I opened up the refrigerator. I start cleaning out the refrigerator. I took that bag of shrimp, and I peeled and deveined it. About now, I'm looking at the stove like, should I, shouldn't I? He told me to stop it. Should I, shouldn't I? I struggle, right? I said, okay, let me just come out this kitchen, because if I stay down here any longer, I'm going to turn the burners on and I'm going to get to cooking, right? So I said, okay, let me not do that. So I come upstairs, I'm looking around in my room. Here's the penthouse up here, y'all. Got everything up here, right? Sewing machine, if I want to sew, TV, DVD, video. I got, you name it, I have it up here. This is my castle right here. The men had a cave. I got mine too, and that's up here, the penthouse, right? So I'm looking around. What can I do? Some say, stop it. Just stop. What did your doctor just tell you? It's like I regress to a little naughty girl that need a, right? 61 years old, and I'm regressing to a little girl that needs a spanking. Or me some time out. I feel like putting myself in the corner sometime. I don't listen, you know? But it's hard. Like, I gotta do. Like, I'm looking right now, looking at things, you know. Maybe I can dust or something. I don't need to dust. I don't need that. I don't, you know. So I'm like, oh boy, I'm a piece of work, and I'm straight up honest. I am a piece of work. That I am. You know, I gotta do better. I gotta do better. And then I'm thinking, well, maybe if I get me a nap or something, lay down, I'll go down about, 7 o'clock or something, and start, prepping. And I know I'm gonna cook it, right? Stop, Cindy. Stop. Stop. It ain't easy. Y'all know what I'm talking about? It ain't easy for a person like me. I don't know how to turn it off. I keep it going. I was just dancing and stuff yesterday, getting that. Look, like I was doing it. Listen, I went back in the 80s with one of them dances. I was having a good time. Meanwhile, my immune system going zoop, 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 zoop. So I felt myself getting tired as I'm talking. I'm like, all right, it's time to stop and go upstairs, right? So I did. I came upstairs and I got to doing something else. I'm like, I forget what I was doing, something else anyway. But long story short, I gotta just chill out. So that meal will be done, God willing, and I'm feeling better. Okay, I got that shot today, so in 3 days I should be good to go. And then I'm going in the kitchen and we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna show you them recipes. These are things that you guys haven't seen yet, some new stuff, and I'll be happy to bring it to you. But if I don't start paying attention and listen, listen is a skill. Just saying, it's a skill. Anyway, so I will do that Wednesday, and I just hope I can just, I like Turner Classics. I love black and white movies. Now, if I get some of that, some good stuff on, I'll sit still. I like Midsummer Murders, that British sleuths. I like that kind of stuff. I like, reality TV, ratchet TV. I'm telling you, I'm about it. I just like it. It's entertainment. Get it? Better them than me. I got class with me, baby. I just like ratchet TV. But anyways, enough said about that. Just to let you know, I gotta pay more attention to me and not what I want to do all the time, and stop pushing the envelope. I push it so far sometimes, like I just go to the extreme with my stuff. I cause my own stuff. It be me. And then I want to blame it on the doctor. Right? My mom be telling me stuff too. She tell me in a minute, you hard-headed, Cindy. I don't know why you won't listen. I've been like that since a child. And I act like one at times too, I'm telling you. I gotta put my own self in the corner. I don't need nobody to do it for me. But it's just, that's sad, ain't it? Woo, but I keep it 100. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you a little bit about me, And then I get pissed off when I have to be told I can't do what I want to do because I feel limited. I feel like, I'm only 61. I'm young. I want to be able to do what I did when I was 50. I know, come on. I know it ain't going to happen. It's a figure of speech, I wish. But anyways, I'm going to get it together. I got to get it together. So anyways, just wanted to put that out there, because when you say you're going to be on that channel, they be looking for you to be on that channel. I'm telling you, they be looking for it. So, and I appreciate you guys, for being on there with me and continue to come back all the time. And I get more and more and more and more and more people coming on there. Again, I don't do it for money. I do it because I love doing it. And it keeps me from up here. Art said I'll be in a bad neighborhood when I go up here. He told me to get out that neighborhood. But anyways, y'all, stay safe and be blessed. And I'll see you Wednesday. But who knows? I might just come on tomorrow and shoot the breeze. Maybe I'll shoot the breeze and stuff. All right. Love you guys.